Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the function NormalizeDouble. This one here, it's used for rounding, and you can provide the number of decimal places that you'd like your value to be rounded to. So in this case I have defined a price which is type double. Here you can see it, and I'd like to normalize it until the second digit, which means that it will be rounded here at 123.46 because it's rounding the rest of the numbers. And this function is commonly used in trading algorithms to round different values to the digits that currency pair contains, different price contains. So down below I'd like to print the original price, this one here, and the rounded price, and I have provided another example below which uses the digits from the currency pair that's on the active chart, and use this number. For example, for your USD it should be 5 digits, and use this number to normalize the price here using this function once again. And down below is just a print statement that shows the end result. Let's compile this code. If I go back to MetaTrader and run this function, you can see the original price. You can see here the first example where it is rounded to 123.46, and here where we used the simple decimals, here you can see that it's rounded until the fifth digit of the price. If I do this with, for example, USD Japanese yen, where we know that the number of digits is 3, you can see here the original number rounded until the second digit, and rounded until the third digit because US Japanese yen has 3 digits in total. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.